Can't tap to pay? Let's unlock why your Apple Pay might be restricted and get you back to seamless transactions. First up, security concerns. Apple Pay is super cautious. Too many failed attempts, unusual purchase patterns, or potential fraud flags can trigger a restriction. To resolve this, try changing your Apple ID password immediately. Go to Settings, tap your name at the top, then Password and Security and follow the prompts. Next, verification issues. Did you recently add a new card? Apple often requires extra verification. Check your wallet app. You might see a notification prompting you to verify your card with your bank. Follow those instructions carefully. Now, let's consider Apple's policies. Review Apple Pay's terms and conditions. Violating these can lead to restrictions. Think about any recent transactions. Did anything violate the terms? It's rare, but worth checking. If none of those work, it's time to contact Apple support directly. They can access your account details and pinpoint the exact reason for the restriction. You can find the support link in the video description below. Finally, check your region settings. Make sure your region is supported by Apple Pay. If you've recently moved, updating this info is crucial. Navigate to Settings, then General, then Language and Region. Hopefully, one of these steps gets you back to using Apple Pay smoothly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.